Keep the flow steady to Bay 5.
Confirmed. Sending the next batch now.
This metal cylinder looks completely ordinary. It sits quietly in millions of homes, just a few feet away from fire. But inside, it holds pressure powerful enough to act like a bomb. And yet, it almost never explodes. Why? There is one test inside this factory that decides whether this cylinder reaches your kitchen or is destroyed forever. Today, we're going inside a gas cylinder factory to see what actually keeps this from becoming a disaster. An LPG gas cylinder shop is not just a container. It is a pressure vessel. Under normal use, it stores gas at extremely high pressure. If the metal cracks, if a weld fails, or if the valve leaks, gas escapes silently, and all it needs is a spark. So how do engineers make sure this never happens? Everything begins with steel, not ordinary steel. This steel must stretch under pressure without tearing apart. Flat steel sheets are cut into perfect circles. Then, massive hydraulic presses force the metal into deep, rounded shapes. This step looks simple, but if microscopic cracks form here, the cylinder is already unsafe. And the most dangerous step comes next. A gas cylinder is made from two steel halves. These halves are welded together to form a sealed body. This weld line is the weakest point of the entire cylinder. If this weld fails under pressure, the result is instant and violent. That's why welding here is slow, controlled, and inspected repeatedly. Still,
Roughness seems
perfect welding
here.
alone
What's the thickness reading on the dome
is not
weld?
enough.
Holding steady at
Gas has
4.8.
only one
I'll log
way
that
out
now.
of the cylinder, the valve.
The stress
A
analysis
hole
confirms
is
the anomaly right
drilled
here on the weld seam.
with
Yes,
extreme
the thermal
precision.
gradient suggests a weak
Threads
point.
are cut
We
so
must
tightly
isolate this batch.
that even a tiny
In the cooling
misalignment
zone,
can cause
the freshly
leaks.
welded cylinders
The valve
dissipate
is
heat,
installed
a critical step
and
before
sealed.
inspection and painting.
At this point, the cylinder looks finished. But this is where most people are wrong. Because now
As the
real
cylinders
test
continue down the line,
begins.
the rejected units
This is where
are swiftly routed for
many
destruction.
cylinders fail. First, the hydrostatic pressure test. The cylinder is filled with water, not gas, and pressure far beyond normal use is applied. If the metal stretches too much or does not return to its original shape, the cylinder is rejected immediately. Next comes the leak test. Air pressure is applied. Technicians watch
Initiating
closely
pressure sequence now.
for even the smallest bubble.
Pressure stabilizing at
One
target.
bubble,
Test complete.
and the cylinder is
Parameters are nominal.
destroyed.
The gauge reading
Some
is
cylinders are
fluctuating
taken
slightly.
even
It's
further.
within tolerance,
They are
supervisor. I've
exposed
logged it.
to
Good.
fire,
Let's maintain
not by
pressure for another
accident,
3
but on
minutes.
purpose. Engineers want to see how long the cylinder survives extreme heat without rupturing. Only a few cylinders pass all of this. Only after surviving every test does a cylinder earn its paint.
Check the diameter at the midpoint.
Protective
Reading
coatings
steady at
prevent
405
corrosion.
millimeters.
Serial numbers and
Acceptable
inspection dates are
deviation, stamp it
MOPAC are
fast.
permanently stamped. This cylinder now has an identity way and a responsibility. Before leaving the factory,
All right, steady
each
down.
cylinder is inspected one final
on the seam.
time.
Test pass.
What
Miss
reaches
pass.
your
Make a note of
home
that.
is not a gamble.
Look there,
It is
right
a
at the valve.
product
Yep, that's a steady
that has
stream.
survived pressure, fire, and failure.
All right, shutting it down.
The
Tag
next
that
time you
cylinder.
see a gas cylinder
Pressure
in your
test failed
kitchen,
right here.
don't see it as ordinary.
Yeah, I saw the
It is
bubbles.
not
We have
safe
to
by
reject
luck.
this batch.
It is safe because engineers
No
assume
bubbles detected.
something will go
Confirmed.
wrong
Proceed with stamping.
and design
Stamp
it
as passed.
to survive anyway. This is why gas cylinders don't explode. And this
Pressure holding
is what
steady at nominal
happens
levels.
inside a gas cylinder
Acknowledged.
factory.
Monitor closely for stress fractures.
The internal temperature is stable despite the direct flame impingement.
Noted. The shell integrity is holding remarkably well.
The fire test results look stable, but we need to verify the integrity around the stress points.
I'm getting a minor fluctuation on the
Once marked rejected, the fire-damaged cylinders are moved to the destruction bay to ensure they are safely removed from circulation.
The valve seal looks good on this one.
Noted. Final check complete for this batch.
Here in the secured curing area, the paint is hardened into a protective layer before final inspection by the technicians.
Here at the labeling station, safety is paramount. Every cylinder receives clear handling instructions and warning symbols before leaving the factory.
Keep the flow steady to Bay 5.
Confirmed. Sending the next batch now.
We need the red tops moved to Bay 3 by noon.
Roger that. Routing the forklift now.
Check the pressure gauge on row 12.
Looks stable, but the last inspection noted a slight variation.
All right, you are clear to proceed. Slow speed only.
Logging serials now. Everything matches the manifest.
The regulator ensures a steady flow right here.
And the pressure holds perfectly at 25 bar.
Excellent. The connection integrity is confirmed.
Our advanced manufacturing process ensures that every cylinder meets the highest safety standards.